China has adopted a zero-tolerance approach to COVID-19 infections, aiming to eliminate any local transmission of the virus through strict lockdowns, mass testing, and tracing. The policy has been successful in keeping the death toll low compared with other countries, but it has also caused economic, social, and humanitarian costs. The zero-COVID strategy has disrupted the global supply chain, as China accounts for about a third of the world's manufacturing capacity. When major cities and ports in China go into lockdown due to COVID outbreaks, it delays the shipment of goods and materials to other countries. This affects the availability and prices of products ranging from electronics to clothing. The zero-COVID strategy has also hampered China's growth prospects, as it limits domestic consumption and investment. China's GDP growth slowed to 4% in the fourth quarter of 2021, the lowest since the pandemic began. Some analysts have warned that China's zero-COVID policy could lead to a hard landing for its economy, especially if it fails to contain the rapidly spreading Omicron variant. The zero-COVID strategy has also imposed social costs on the Chinese people, who have to endure frequent lockdowns, travel restrictions, and quarantine measures. These measures have affected their mental health, education, family life, and personal freedom. Some people have been stranded in other provinces or countries, unable to return home or reunite with their loved ones. The zero-COVID strategy has also raised humanitarian concerns, as it has prevented China from providing adequate assistance to its neighbors who are struggling with COVID. China has been reluctant to open its borders or relax its quarantine rules for foreign visitors, including diplomats, aid workers, and journalists. This has limited China's ability to donate vaccines, medical supplies, and expertise to other countries in need. In summary, China's zero-COVID policy has achieved its goal of minimizing COVID-19 deaths, but at a high cost to its economy, society, and international relations. As the Omicron variant poses new challenges to its disease control efforts, China may need to reconsider its strategy and find a more balanced and sustainable way to cope with the pandemic.